it's Tali and welcome to today's video. On my YouTube channel, you guys know I've tried to film a thrift haul for every month, and so something I did behind the scenes while I filmed those is I've actually been thrifting stuff for my huge summer vacation I have coming up. But instead of showing them in the thrift hauls, I've been putting it all to the side, gearing it up for a big, huge summer haul. So this trip I've known for probably about a year now, I would say. I have bought so much stuff, I have thrifted so much stuff, and I have just so much stuff to show you guys, and I'm so excited. So yes, in today's video we are doing a huge Tali haul of stuff I bought and thrifted for my summer vacation. Also, I'm so excited for this trip to just get away, take a break. I'm still in my summer class and I'm trying to finish all my work before the actual trip so I can just enjoy it while I'm there, and I'm also just excited for all the outfits, of course. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Tali and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, make sure to follow me on all social medias here in the screen, down in the description below. I also am on Threads on Instagram. And without further ado, let's get into this huge Tali haul. Let me just show you guys real quickly the pile. I have just collected so much stuff. I also have stuff coming in the mail and I'm crossing my fingers that it makes it in time before my trip. Alright guys, let's get this haul started. So the first things I'm going to show are stuff that I bought, like these are from stores or from online, and aka not thrifted. And of course, like I always say, it wouldn't be a Tali haul without Loveshackfancy. I also do want to say some of these items I may have shown in past hauls, or I might have shown them somewhere else, like on my TikTok or on my Instagram, but I just wanted to still show everything because I have it here all together and it's just so much fun and I love to film these types of videos. The first thing I got is this little Loveshackfancy woven bag. It is called the Roxy bag and it is so cute. It has a little clasp here on the top and it just opens like this. And then it also comes with a longer strap. This is gonna match so many outfits and I can't wait to style this. Next from them, I got a new swimsuit. I got this gorgeous swimsuit. I love the pattern and I love the blue roses. They're just so pretty and it is just a really unique and different print, and it is just this gorgeous little one piece. Next from Loveshack, I just got this actually pretty recently. It is this sunset ombre pink and purple glitter skirt. I have loved this pattern for a long time. I think it is just so pretty and so dreamy, and it definitely screams like summer vacation, summer nights, like to me, and it is just so gorgeous. It has these like gold stars and hearts on them, and it is just a really pretty piece. Next piece, my mom actually surprised me with it, which is so sweet. It is this Loveshackfancy little pink and yellow flower dress. She is so gorgeous. She has little buttons here on the top, a little puffy sleeve, and then on the bottom here she just has these little ruffles, and it is just such a gorgeous dress. Another perfect summer vacation dress, and it was so nice of my mom to get this for me. Next, I have Loveshackfancy X Hurley pieces. If I'm being honest, guys, I bought these last Christmas. That's how long I've been gearing up for this trip, and I've just had this pile like in my room just of all the stuff I plan to bring. So the first thing I got is this little ribbed baby tee. It just has a little airbrush photo on the front. It also has this little bow there at the front, which I love. And then next I got this little matchy set. So here's the top. It is actually a jacket. It's just this gorgeous blue pattern. It's also got like shimmer or like sparkles in it, and also has a little pink on the ends. And then of course the matching skirt. It is just the same pattern with the tiered little iconic ruffle skirt, and I love the little like nautical or like braided rope. That is everything I got from Loveshack. I'm so excited to wear those pieces and I cannot wait to bring them on my trip. Next, I'm gonna show you guys some stuff I bought from the stores. This is from like Forever 21, Marshalls, Ross, etc. And I also just want to say I'm not sure if all of this stuff is coming with me on the trip. As you guys can tell, I have been buying stuff for a while for this trip, so I'm not sure exactly what all I'm gonna bring, but this is probably a good majority of it. So the first thing I got from Forever 21 is this Venice Beach pink cropped tee. Not only am I a huge pink fan, I also am a Lana Del Rey fan, and I just thought this little cropped tee is gonna be so cute as a cover up or just to wear around and lounge in. Next, I got this little top from Marshalls. So if you look closely, it's like green with a mix of pink, like tie-dye, kind of like ombre kind of like look, and the front actually does like untie here in the front, so it's kind of like a wrap top, like you kind of tie it in the front. Next, I have this little cover up. It is just this like mauve dark pink little terry cloth romper. I'm looking at it now and I have a lot of cover-ups or loungewear for this trip. And then the next thing I have is just this little terry cloth yellow, pastel yellow little skirt. This I wanted to show you guys is this copper tone sunscreen, but it's glow shimmer. So it's supposed to have like glitter in it, and I think that's gonna be so fun. And I'm so excited to try this out. And the last thing I got is this little compact mirror. It's a little seashell. I really didn't need this, but I thought it would be so cute in like a flat lay photo or just at the beach with all my other stuff. And yeah. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys everything I thrifted for vacation. I have them in categories on the floor right now, and the first things I'm gonna show you guys is all of the loungewear I bought. I bought these just to lounge in the hotel room or also just to be comfy or in case I get cold, while also still being beachy and cute. Okay, so the first thing I got is just this pink little oversized little jersey soft little top. It just has this huge v-neck on it, and then it also has two little pockets here in the front, and it's just got folds on the sleeve. This is just to throw on, you know, in case I get chilly, or if I just, you know, I also could use this as a cover up, and it's pink. Next, I got these little sea sucker shorts. They're just blue and pink, and to me, sea sucker definitely screams the beach. The next thing I got are just these Hurley little cozy joggers. They say Hurley Beach here, as you guys see. I wanted to keep with the beachy theme. And then it just has two little stripes here at the bottom. And they are so soft and so cozy. This next thing I'm about to show is probably one of my favorite things I got for the trip. I don't know why, but it is just this gorgeous, like neon kind of yellow, a little not too neon, little just hoodie. But I don't know, I just thought this would be so cute on the beach or just so cute in the hotel room. And I just thought it was so summery and like so bright. And I love the little like cross here on the front. And then it also has like a little pockets here because it is a hoodie and it has a hood. And I just thought it'd be so cute and like with like my necklaces and like, you know, just to lounge in, just to relax in. I don't know, I thought it'd be so cute and I think it's a whole vibe. And this next one I also was super duper excited to find. When I found this, I literally was like, this is coming on vacation with me. I need this. I immediately put it in my cart. It's just this pink tie-dye little Suncoast Venice Beach pullover. Like, not only is it pink, but the little graphic here is just so summery, so beachy, and like, God, I probably have been saying that so much in this video, but like, it is just so perfect. Like, just to throw on like after I swim, or like to throw it on after I shower, and it is just so cute. Also, another Venice Beach piece. And no, I'm not going there. Next, I'm gonna show you guys all like the more dressy pieces or more like night outfits or just outfits in general. The first thing I got is this hot pink one-shoulder dress. I think this will look really nice on the beach, and with some added accessories, it'll just bring it all together. It is just this hot pink one shoulder here with a little stretch, and then it's just got this super long, you know, tiered little skirt, or, well, it's not a skirt, it's a dress, but you know what I mean, at the bottom. Next, I got these shorts, or skirt. This color is just so summery. Like, this is just one of the summer colors. It is just gorgeous, and this one, you could wear it as a cover up, or you could wear it for an outfit, just with like a white little tee, and it'll be so cute. Also, I love the little ruffle action here, and the material is so soft. Next, I got this skirt, which is kind of out of my style, like the color or like the pattern, but it really gave me kind of like pool vibes. It is just this long maxi skirt, and also, at the bottom, like it kind of reminded me of like a mermaid. But yeah, I got this skirt and I thought it was super summery. I think the print definitely screams summer, screams beachy, vacation, tropical, all of that. And I do like the little bottom ruffle there. And the last dressy item, I know crochet is like a big thing this year, especially for summer. And I got this little crochet maxi skirt. I'm really excited to style these and just play around with them, and I think this is just a really pretty piece as well. Also, kind of random, but I thrifted these little platform white sandals. They are Tommy Bahama, and they just have the little platform, and I just loved the little seashell here on the front. And the next and final category and the last pieces of my huge summer vacation haul are cover-ups. When I was younger, I actually hated wearing cover-ups because they would make me like hot, and I just wanted to get in the water and just, you know, go have fun. I mean, I was a kid. But now I actually appreciate cover-ups because it's actually like 2 outfits. So first, which is probably one of my favorite ones, is this gorgeous Free People cover-up. Now, I'm not sure if it's actually a cover-up. I wear it as a cover-up. You probably also could wear it as a top, but this is what it looks like. So this is the back. It just has all this gorgeous lace detail. And then here are the sleeves, it just has a little puff to them. And then at the bottom here, it also has just that crochet again. And this one is just really pretty, really gorgeous just to throw on, and it is just the perfect white cover-up. The next one I got, I know looks nothing like a cover-up, but it is one of those little mesh sarongs, or like that you wrap around your bathing suit. And I don't really know how I'm gonna wear this one. I've never wore one before. I've never played with it, but it was pink, so I had to get it. I also got another Free People cover-up. This one is pink, and it just has these super cool like buttons and like little look to it. This one is so soft and so comfy, and it probably is a dress, but I'm gonna wear it as a cover-up. And now for the last and final piece of this vacation haul, and probably one of the coolest things I found, or I think personally probably pretty cool and unique that you don't usually find at the thrift store all the time, is this crochet one-piece cover-up. This just gives all the vibes, all the summer vibes, vacation vibes, just fun, fancy, you know, like beachy, just everything gives me all those vibes. It's just this gorgeous crochet little piece, and it actually has no tag, so this feels probably handmade. It has the little sleeve here on the side, and then just this is the front, and it has the little tie here, and then here is just the bottom, and it is just a really gorgeous and really unique piece. I love fashion in itself. I just love, you know, expressing myself, just showing who I am, my style, you know, me in an outfit, and this part is just one of the best parts of these trips, or any trip in general, is picking out outfits and putting them together, and of course packing them. I just love all that stuff. Alright guys, that is everything I bought and thrifted for my summer vacation. I had so much fun filming this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. It actually was really good for me that I filmed this video because I kind of forgot some of the stuff that I had. Like I said, I've been buying so much stuff since last year, and I kind of needed to see it all, you know, and now that I have it all together, I can finally start packing and getting ready for this trip. I'm just so excited to style everything. I'm so excited to pack. You guys know I love packing, and I just can't wait to see it all come to life. Like I said, I've been waiting for this trip for a while, and I'm just really excited to get away and just have this time with my family, and also just be a little fashionable. Again, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Tali, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, make sure to follow me on all social medias here on the screen, down in the description below. I love you all so much, and I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, fantastic, amazing, gorgeous, fabulous day.